Welcome to the Structure Studio's online video series. This video will explain Stage 5 pools. For this video, we'll set our grid to 1 foot and head to the Snaps menu to turn on Line and Grid. We'll also set the angle to World Angle and turn on Autocomplete. We'll use the Measure Guide to determine the location of the pool in our project. Activate the Measure tool and left-click on the corner of the house. Measure up 10 feet and left-click to set the distance. We now know where the corner of our pool will be. You can insert a pool template from the library or design your own. Let's open the library to see what options are available. We want a modern pool shape, so we'll head to Geometric and select Template 1. Double-click on the preview picture to insert it. Now as we move our cursor onto the grid, the pool is on our cursor. Align the bottom right corner of the pool with our 10-foot measure guide and left-click to place it. Once the pool is inserted, we can try other templates by clicking on the preview picture and pressing the Replace button at the bottom of the library. If you would like to make changes to the template, simply press the Ungroup button in the panel. Once the template is ungrouped, individual features of the pool can be adjusted. We'll remove this template by pressing Delete on our keyboard. Now we'll draw a custom pool. Let's activate the Line tool. Left-click at the end of the 10-foot measure guide to start the pool. Move your mouse up 12 feet and left-click. Now draw to the left 32 feet and left-click. Next, go down 22 feet and left-click. Then move to the right 10 feet and left-click. Now up 10 feet and left-click. We can now click on the last point or press Enter to complete the pool. Our L-shaped pool looks good, but we want to add room for a tanning ledge and spa. We can extend the pool with the Move tool. Activate the Move tool and click and hold the midpoint of the vertical 10-foot segment. Remember, the midpoint is the hollow square. As we drag our mouse to the right, the side of the pool will lengthen. We'll do this until the lower segment is 17 feet. Great! This is the shape we need. Let's see how it looks. Right-click on the pool and press View in 3D in the right-click menu. The pool we drew was created with the default settings. We can change the coping, lip style, slope, and other settings in the panel. To see the pool without water, we can turn the water off in the Hide Unhide at the top of the screen. Add a red X to pool water to see the pool empty. We want to have the water visible in our project, so we'll add the green eye. Our pool is currently level with the ground. We can raise the pool by setting a positive height or sink the pool into the terrain by setting a negative height. Let's set our pool to a height of 1 foot for now. When pool coping is on, it can be set to any width between 1 to 24 inches. For this project, we'll set our coping to 1 foot. The coping line will appear around the pool in 2D when the outer line option is checked. The next option is lip style. The drop-down allows us to change the shape of the lip to square, round, half round, near flush, or custom. When you select Custom, you'll see the Custom Profile button. When we click this button, our library will open to lip style options. Double-click an option to preview the style on the pool. We can even create custom lip styles. Let's set our lip style to cantilever. By default, the water in the pool is 3 inches below the coping. We can raise the water by changing the value in the panel. We can also remove or add waterline tile and adjust the height of the tile line. For the bottom of the pool wall, you have the option of a smooth or hard edge. Turn off Pool Cove to show a hard edge. Turn on Pool Cove to create a smooth transition between the wall and pool floor. We can adjust the cove radius between 6 to 12 inches. Next, Vip3D users will see the property line and orientation options. First, we'll select the Draw Property Line option. When we do, the Line and Arc tools become available. Simply plot the dimensions of the property line and we'll see the measurement as well as bearing. Once the spillover is in place, we see spillover options in the panel. We can choose between spillover, tiered spillover, forward or reverse negative edge. The length can be adjusted by typing in a length or clicking the purple endpoint and dragging the spillover to the desired length. Let's press the 2D 3D button at the top of the screen to see the different spillover types and options in 3D. The traditional spillover is flat and cuts level out of the beam. Tiered is a series of steps cut into the beam. Reverse negative edge angles into the pool, and forward negative edge angles out of the pool. All options can have the water flow turned off or on. Each spillover type also has unique settings available. Behind our spillover, we can see the gradual slope of the pool bottom. Let's head back to 2D and review how to set the pool slope. Before we start our slope, we'll delete the spillover from the pool by pressing the delete button. We'll add a spillover to the spa in the next video. We'll now click the pool to select it. We first want to make our pool level with the ground by typing 0 in the height box. Under pool slope, we see two options, multiple and single. We'll start by reviewing single slope. Select single slope and press the Edit Slope button. When single slope is active, the 2D view is divided into two screens. The top screen shows the 2D grid zoomed into the pool with the depth line. The bottom screen is a graph that shows the current pool depth profile. The top screen is used to show the location of the pool depth line. With the Rotate tool active, you can rotate the pool depth line horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. We want our depth to be horizontal. The bottom screen shows the pool depth profile. Our pool currently has 2 points in the depth profile. A point set to 3 feet on the left and a point set to 6 feet on the right. This depth profile displays a shallow end on the left that gradually gets deeper until it reaches the right side of the pool. Let's create a play pool instead. Activate the Move tool. With our mouse, left-click the point on the right. We can hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse up until the point reaches 3 feet, or we can type in 3 feet in the point height box in the panel. Now we want to make the center of the pool the deepest point. Left-click the center of the bottom depth profile. This will add a new point on the line. We'll type in 5 feet 6 inches in the point height box. We can verify the point is in the center of the pool by checking the distance at the bottom of the depth profile. This shows the distance between depth points. With the Move tool, we can add and move points on the depth profile to achieve the exact slope we need. We can also adjust the angle of the pool slope by choosing between smooth or hard angles. When we're done editing the slope, click the red X in the right corner of the bottom view to close it. Let's head back to 3D to see our new slope. The slope looks great, but let's head back to 2D to see what we can create with the multiple slope setting. Select multiple slope and press the Edit Slope button. When multiple slope is active, a blue border surrounds the 2D grid. We use our drawing tools to create contour lines. We can draw single lines or complete shapes. Let's create the previous slope by drawing 3 lines. Activate the Line tool and draw a line down the right side of the pool. Once the length is set, click again to end the line. Set the contour depth to 3 feet. Now draw a line down the left side of the pool. Once the length is set, click again to end the line. This contour will automatically use the last contour depth of 3 feet. We'll add one more contour in the center of the pool. Once the length is set, click again to end the line. Set the contour depth of this line to 5 feet 6 inches. Our profile is set. Let's head back to 3D to see our slope. This slope has the same play pool profile as the single slope. We can also create dynamic slopes, including beach entries. To learn more, make sure to watch the beach entry video. This completes instruction on pools. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit structurestudios.com/help.